Hello everyone, this is Dr. Hamid Isazadeh. Today we are gonna solve the problem in homework in the midterm exam, midterm 2. We had four problems, right? The first one was this, where we had a beam, it had a support in this location and this location. In order to find the support reaction, this one is gonna have two forces, AY, and this one is AX. This one is gonna be BY. Let's draw the free body diagram, okay? So the free body diagram is gonna be like this one. So we have to simplify the forces. This one is 7, is the length times the magnitude of the forces, 4. This is gonna be 28. And where is it? It's right here, 3.5. That is the center of the rectangle. $28. Then we had BY, which is 4 feet away from the end. This one is AY, this is AX. Then we had this force, this is 30 degree, so this is gonna be 30 degree again. This will be 20 times sine 30, which is 10. This force will be 20 times cosine 30, which is around 17.32. So now we have all forces. We need to find AX, AY, and BY. Let's do one fx equation. In fx, we have only two forces, which is AX going to the right, positive, and then we have this force 17.32 going to the negative direction, 0. So my AX is 17.32. Okay, this is the first one. The next one, we have two unknown in y direction, AY and BY, correct? If I use, summation of forces in y direction, I will have two unknown. How about this one? If I use M with respect to, let's use A0. Then I will have my 10 force, this one 10, negative moment times distance is 5. Then I have BY going positive times 15, that is the distance. And then I have 28 force going down. And what is the distance? That one, if you look at it, the entire portion is 19, and the 28 is going down, and it is 3.5 away from the end, so it's going to be 15.5. So my 28 is going down 15.50. When I solve it, I will find BY 32.3. Then we can use f of y0. We have ay minus 10 minus 28, by going up, so it will be 32 plus 3, 0. My ay is 5.7. Okay, so these are, I'm gonna show it, know the number this is. Let's go to next problem. The next problem we had this truss. The truss, we want to find forces in all members. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this. We have 5 members, right? Initially, we have to find the support reaction. We can draw the free body diagram like this. This one is AY, AX. This one is DY. What else? I have this 20. This one is 5. So I can use, fx 0, ax minus 20. That's only x force I have. So my ax is 20. Then I can use summation of moment about point A. If I use it, I will have minus, dy going down times, 6. That is the distance, 3 plus 3. And then I have 5 force, this one going down, times 3. Then positive 20. The 20 is making counterclockwise, so it's going to be positive. That times 3. That's all forces I have, 0. So this is 60 and this is 15. My dy will be 7.5. Then I have fy0. I can use that one to find ay. Ay going up. Then what else? I have 5 going down, dy going down. Dy is 7.5 going down, 0. My ay is 12.5. Now I have the support reaction. I can go to joint A. Let's do joint A. In joint A, we have this one, 20. This is 12.5. This is my AB. This is my what is it? AC. Let's solve it. We can use Fy equation. If we use that one, what do we have? We have 12.5, and then AB going down. So the slope here, let me draw it. This is 3, right? This is going to be square root of 3. So let me make it bigger. Oops. So that portion is going to be 3 this value. So what is it? It will be, we need y component. So it's let's 3 times 3 this one. My AB is 17.67. As you see, it's going down. It's going to the middle point, so it's going to be compressive force. Then we can use Fx equation to find AC. Fx equation will be 20 going right, then AC going left, AB times 3. So we already know AB, which is 17.67. So we can cross 3 by 3, so we have this one. My AB is, no, AC, my AC will be 7.5. And that is also compressive force. Okay, so let me, this one. Then we can go to point C. Let's go point C. Again, we need to draw the free body diagram for that one. This one, point C. CD, this is AC. Fx 0, then our AC is 7.7, so this is CD. My CD is compressive force, and this was B. See, Fy 0, it means BC is the only force, so this is another force. How many force I need then? I need BD. So let me go back. My dy is 7.5 going down. 7.5. This is 7.5. Then how about this one, which is BD? I can use Fy 0, 7.5 going down, BD going up, times slope 3, and what was the other one? This one, hypotenuse. So it will be my BD is 10.7 6, 7. And that is tensor. So we found all members. This one. Yes, we got all of them. Now let's go to the next problem. Okay, in this problem we need to find forces here, this one, and this one. So we have to solve the free body diagram. We solve for the support reaction here. We have AY. This is EY, right? So draw the free body diagram here. This one. This is another one. E, Y. This is A, Y, A, X. So when we solve it, we see AX, if X 0, AX is going to be 0, right? Then we can find EY or AY. We can use summation of moment with respect to point A, 0. And we have 20 times 12, the first force, this force I mean, so that is the distance, 12. And how about this one? This is 18, again negative, 20 times 18. Then we have EY going up. This is 36. So once we solve it, we find 18.67, and that is kip. What else? Then we can use Fy0, AY plus EY. Then we have 24. My AY is 23.30. Okay, now we have this force. Now you want to go and cut, because we want to find BC and GC and FD. We can use to cut here. So the first cut, I'm gonna use this one. I can use this one. This is BC, and this one is GC. this is point C, and this is point B, point A, and that is G. So we know these forces, right? AX0, AY is 23.3. Do we have any forces there? Yes, this is going to be 20. So now we can solve for BC and GC. Here I can use, I think I'm missing one force here, this one. We can call it GF. We want to find GC and BC, right? If I use summation of moment, not summation of forces, then I will have one unknown in that equation. Let's do it. Fy0, then we have 23.3 going up, minus 20 going down, and I have only GC in there. And minus GC, what is the slope? It's going down, right? The slope here, as you see, this one, it's a right triangle. So this is 6, this is 8, and then it's gonna be 10, right? So I can use, we need vertical, so 8 times 10, 0. That's it. That's all force I have. My GC will be 4.16. Is it kip? Yes. And that is compressive. Then we can go for BC. Now for BC, I can use summation of moment at point G. 0. Then BC times 8 negative. Then I have AY times distance. The distance here is 12. Zero. So my BC will be negative 35. So since we got negative, I can change it this direction. So it means it's going to be tensile. So this will be tensile. So we can use another cut for this one. So we use one cut here, one cut there. Now we want to look at DF, right? So we need to draw that free body diagram for D, E, so this is DF. and the E is 1667. So as you see, we have this one unknown, this one is unknown, but we only are interested in df. So it's better to use f of y, because df is in y equation, and these two unknown, they will be in x equation, but it's gonna make problem if we go with f of x equation, because you will have three unknowns in that equation. But in fy, you will have only one equation, one unknown. df, what is the ratio? This is 6, 8, this is 10. df will be 8, so going down, right? Then we have E going up 16.670. My df will be 20.83, and that's going to be compressive. Now we got all of them. Okay.